Hello everyone, I welcome you all on this YouTube channel UPSC Logic. This is me Rahul and today we are going to cover The Hindu for your public administration optional for UPSC CSE and for other state PSC exam. So let's get started. There is only one article that we are going to finish in 2 minutes only. So the article is given on your page number 1 and the article is talking about 22 farmer union form the front to fight Punjab polls. What you need to understand that here this farmer union, this is the part of your pressure group, or you can say the part of civil society organization. Civil society organization is given in your public administration syllabus of different units, like in accountability and control, in development administration. In all these units you dealt with this particular topic. So you need to understand that there are differences between the pressure groups and the political parties. UPSC has asked this question in the previous years in the GS2 as well as in your public administration paper 2. But here what you need to understand that there is a transition, there is a blurring of lines between the pressure groups and political party, or you can say between the civil society organization and the political party. Here we are witnessing that how these 22 farmer organization, how these unions are forming the front to fight the legislative assembly elections of Punjab state. So you need to understand this transition. You need to remember this example that there are differences between the pressure groups and political parties. One tries to pressurize the government policy, on the other hand another is there in the power itself. If you try to understand the another difference, you will find, so first thing is the pressures, the second thing the first you can say point, insofar as the political party is concerned, they try to capture power. Insofar as the public administration language is concerned, you can say that they are the part of group model of public policy, where they try to influence the public policy. Like farmer organization, they are more, you can say, focused towards the group model of public policy. But when it comes to political party, they are more focused toward the institutional model of public policy. Institutional model, you must be knowing about these models of public policy formulation, so you can just try to understand that there is a difference insofar as these things are concerned. Okay, so this is the state actor. This is also political party become the, you can say, they if they won the election etc, they will become state. But here they do not become state, they are known as the non-state actors. Okay, and in traditional world the state was very powerful, but nowadays under the good governance paradigm of Nicholas Henry, the latest paradigm, you will find that we have this governance is all about collectively solving the problem. So earlier the things were like legislative, executive, judiciary, these were the stakeholders, but nowadays we have the legislative, executive, judiciary and the non-state actors. This is the idea of good governance by World Bank. So in this way you can understand, and other things you can read from a general studies subject. So this is how the differences are, but this example proves, this example justifies, this is the example that you can use while elaborating that there is the transition from one end to another. This is how you can use it. Similarly the rise of Aam Aadmi Party, that is also the example that how one you can say andolan, or the kind of you can say protest, the pressure group, how they can become the political power. So you can use it, you can use these examples. So this is how the things work, and this is the article that you need to read from for your public administration from the newspaper dated 26th of December. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and apart from that you can also join the Telegram group. The link is given in the description box. This is it for the day. Thank you so much.